If you're a teenager feeling restricted by your parents using Life360 to track your location, there are several methods to pause or hide your location with minimal notifications. One simple approach is to enable data saving mode on your iPhone or Android, which disables background app refresh, preventing Life360 from updating your location. You can also turn off Wi-Fi, either for the whole device or just the Life360 app. But using low data mode is preferable to avoid showing a location pause status. Alternatively, you might consider purchasing a prepaid phone to use as a burner for Life360, allowing you to sign in with your account while leaving it in a different location. For more advanced options, you can download a location spoofing app, though this may require jailbreaking your iPhone or enabling developer mode on Android. Remember to use these methods responsibly and avoid giving your parents cause for concern.